A man can engage you and dumps you because he saw your character, the way you are acting. So he start losing interested on you. Maybe he was used to call you maybe every day or twice a day, but he is start reducing his speed because of your character, the way you are acting. So you know that men, they can show those red flags. Men, they don't talk most of the time. They start maybe turn their back now and start reducing their speed. Sometimes, guys, you can engage and you guys, men can dump you and leave you with an engagement ring. A man can leave you without telling you anything. So sometimes, guys, when you saw those things, there is no need to ask a person. Maybe so, maybe the way you are acting, the way you are talking. Men, some they guys, they count the way you are talking. They mark, guys, men, the way they were doing. They like a teacher who can mark a book of a child, what I saw. So when you saw maybe your man now, he is not calling you or giving you attention he was used to give you. That person, guys, it's not about, we don't want to judge people. He lose interesting on you because of the way you are acting, your character. Sometimes that's why now he is no longer interested on you. Sometimes he doesn't want to tell you because you can get hurt. So sometimes, guys, that person was interested on you. He want to marry you, but now he leaves you with an engagement ring without telling you. So sometimes, guys, don't be very shocked or what. That engagement ring, guys, it's not good sometimes to being engaged with a person. So you can, guys, a man can leave you with a ring without telling you that he doesn't like you anymore or to move on with other person. You know that we can engage with a man and go to marry another woman who is not engaged to men. They can do it. So engagement ring doesn't mean anything. What I saw, engagement ring is just a ring. Maybe you go to court and you have a wedding. Yes, we can say maybe that man pays lobolo for you. We can say yes. But when you saw a man give you an engagement ring only, guys, a man can leave you with an engagement ring because he saw maybe the way your character, everything. He can leave you. So sometimes, guys, don't be shocked when you saw your boyfriend leaves you, your fiance leaves you. You have to move on with your life when you saw, and you to remove the engagement ring is better. You understand? Because, guys, that engagement ring is not good. You can get, guys, you can humiliated by people. You being engaged in front of people, and now you are alone.